When suturing the subcutis, place your knot as deep as possible. The best way is to place an inverted suture. Start from the deeper towards the superficial layer on one side, and then from the superficial towards the deeper layer on the other side. Take the needle with your hand and pull the suture out to leave only a short suture end sticking out of the wound. Make a square knot. This is properly placed subcutaneous suture without suture sticking out of the wound. An adequate wound adaptation is achieved without skin tension.